Today guys, I'm gonna share with you how to hold the knife. If you are working in a five-star hotel, so you should be know how to hold the knife. It's very important. If you are being a chef, as a chef, so you should be know how to hold the knife always. So you can see I have over here this knife. Okay, so always keep like this, always. And for example, if I'm cutting this onion, so your this finger you have to be put down always like this, always like this. So when you will hold anything like this, so no any chance you will cut off your finger, you will cut off your nail, no any chance. So always hold like this. So if you want to cut, so you will never ever cut off your finger. So it's a very important thing which I am telling to you guys. See, my hand is working very, and you can see the slices of this onion. So it's the technique how when you are holding the knife, so you should be make sure if you are cutting anything, so always your this nail it should be bottom and like this.